Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's episode I'm gonna show you how to diagnose a misfire code on 2016 Kia Forte. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the car is running bad right now with the check engine light on, and I scanned it and I got cylinder number 4 misfire detected. So what I'm gonna do now is, right now with the help of current data on cylinder number 4, I got this much misfires. So let's find out why. So here's injector number 4. This is the one causing the misfire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to transfer this or swap it to cylinder number 1, and also swap the spark plug on cylinder number 2. So the coil number 4 is now on cylinder number 1, and the spark plug on number 4 is now on cylinder number 2. And let's go ahead and find out if the misfire jumped to any of this cylinder. Start the car and look for a current data. So cylinder number 2 is now experiencing a misfire. How about number 4? Number 4, no more misfire. So if you guys remember, we put that spark plug in there. Now it needs a spark plug. So the customer provided their own spark plug. Very dense, so good spark plug. Okay guys, here's the newer spark plug. I always like to compare them just to make sure that I'm getting the right one.
switch your coil back.
Alright guys, we're back inside the car, and now we do have a history code, number 4 and number 2. Let's delete that. Start the engine. No more check engine light. And current data says no more misfire. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.
Let's all take a ride. Savannah.